how to change Gmail password if forgotten. So if you want to change your Gmail password if you've forgotten, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Gmail application. Once you open up your Gmail, go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Once you tap on profile, now you need to go with manage your Google account. And under that, you can swipe right and go with the security option. Under security, you need to scroll down and go with the password option. Tap on password, and here you need to sign in using your passkey, or you can sign in with your current password. In my case, I already have a passkey, so it's easy for me to sign in. And from here you can create a new password. But if you don't remember your current password and if you've forgotten it, then what you need to do is just go with try another way, or you will get a security code. You just need to simply tap on the mobile number or the email address, and you'll be able to receive the security code on your mobile number or email address. You can simply copy the OTP, and then you can reset or recover your password of your Gmail. So that's how you can change your Gmail password if forgotten. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.